Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if you should sell on Facebook, Instagram or on both. So, I had this message. Konstantinos, thank you so much for creating your channel and releasing podcasts. I listen every week and it has helped my business. You're actually a hero for hearing me for 1 hour every week. Question for you regarding Facebook sales via Instagram sales. Over the last 12 months, I've generated 346 orders on Instagram vs 4,141 orders on Facebook. To me, this seems like I have a gap. Have you seen other businesses with similar gap in Facebook vs Instagram sales? Without reading any more, I can understand that you are selling to young people because most of the times this is a segmentation, but we will analyze it. Do you have any advice for me to dramatically increase my Instagram sales? I run auto placements on my ads. Oh no, so you had 4,141 orders on Facebook. That means that your audience is older. If you were having on Instagram, it would mean that your audience was younger. Overview. My company creates films, books and other original products themes around Israel. Our audiences are Christians and Jews. Typical age demo is 40 plus. Of course it is. Let's analyze it further. A lot of times I hear people saying that, hey, when I break down my results, first of all, this raises the question, should you use auto placements or not? You should use auto placements, I believe. I do still think that Facebook steals some money from auto placements, but I know that they're working better than manual placements. Secondly, and you can use manual placements when you are scaling a lot, like if you want to have different budgets for Facebook and Instagram, but this is super complex to discuss it on this video. When you're having a lot of sales on Facebook, it means that your audience, it's actually an older audience. I know I have brands like this, and let me tell you that you are lucky because these are the best audiences ever. 40 plus, 50 plus people are the best to sell. They are not super educated about ads. They cannot distinguish them. They think that maybe they are normal posts, and they do have money also to buy stuff. It's good that you have sales there. Now, in order for you to have more sales on Instagram, you need to do an opening to completely different, maybe content, more of reels and stuff, and maybe you need to have an item which is going to be more appealing to younger audience because Instagram has younger audience while Facebook has older audience. That being said, if you have an older audiences which is going on Facebook, don't expect to have sales on Instagram. Does this mean that you should stop advertising on Instagram? No, you can still have sales on Instagram, but Facebook is going to optimize mostly for Facebook because this is where it's getting the volume from. Is it bad? No, not at all. In order for you though to combat it, it's not going to happen just because you change the setting here and there. You need to find a product which is more appealing to the younger Instagram audience because this has nothing to do with any technical thing, but it has to do with reality. Okay, if you're trying to sell, for example, just give me a second to find a stupid example.
A few moments later.
So I came up with an example. So if you're selling playing cards, okay, you might be selling playing cards for older people, normal ones, you know, just to play. In Greece we call it biriba. I don't know how you call it in your country or whatever. Israelis are close to the Greek philosophy and way of living, so maybe you will have also this game. On the other hand, you can have another product which is about cardistry. For example, it's the tricks that you make with the cards, or you can have another one which is having a deck which is having inside some extra cards that they are going to help you to do magic tricks. This is going to be more appealing to the young audience. This is what I'm trying to say, that it's not being influenced by the settings, but it's being influenced by the product that you're selling, so don't expect it to change just because you change something there. Again, the opposite would have been more difficult because it needs more effort with creatives and all of that. The thing that you have, the situation that you have, it's better because it means that you're having more sales and it's a better audience to work with. Believe me, I know. So if you want to expand there, just try to find another product which is going to be more appealing there and you're going to work parallel having sales also there. That's all I had for you. I hope you liked the video and it's going to help you. Most probably I replied already, but this is going to help others understand. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course and my website of course. And until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.